Did you know that Nepal's former Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli was accused of being completely controlled by Beijing? From being honey-trapped by Chinese agents to handing over Nepali villages into Chinese hands, his government became a tool for China's expansionist ambitions. But now, Oli's downfall has opened a new chapter in Nepal's politics. And it's a chapter India will be watching very closely. Background on Oli's government. When KP Sharma Oli came to power, he projected himself as a strong nationalist leader. But in reality, he tilted dangerously towards China. Reports emerged that Chinese intelligence had compromised Oli personally, some even alleging honey trap operations. Suddenly, his government started taking decisions that aligned with Beijing's interests, not Nepal's people. Infrastructure deals, political influence, even the redrawing of border maps, all seemed to benefit China. And the most shocking, multiple Nepali villages along the border quietly came under Chinese control, while Oli's government looked the other way. Growing anti-China sentiment in Nepal. But the Nepali people are not blind. Villagers who saw their land swallowed up by China began protesting. Civil society and opposition leaders started questioning why Oli was bending over backwards for Beijing. China promised investments and prosperity. But in reality, Nepal was sinking deeper into debt and dependency. Just like Sri Lanka's Hambantota port story, Nepal was on track to lose sovereignty piece by piece. Oli versus India. Oli's pro-China tilt also meant an anti-India stance. He deliberately fueled tensions with New Delhi, issuing a new political map that showed Indian territories as Nepal's, blocking cooperation and spreading propaganda against India. This wasn't by accident. It was part of Beijing's bigger strategy. Use Nepal as a pawn to encircle India. And Oli, being their puppet, played along. The fall of Oli's government. But the script backfired. Oli's government became unpopular. The protests you see today in Nepal, they're not about social media bans, as some are claiming. These are deeper, rooted in frustration against corruption, Chinese interference, and a regime that betrayed Nepal's sovereignty. It's not surprising that global deep state forces, opposition alliances, and grassroots movements came together to push him out. This regime change may not be clean, but it was inevitable. Why this regime change matters? Oli's fall is not just a domestic Nepali story. It's a geopolitical shift. For India, this is good news. A pro-China, anti-India puppet has been removed. For Nepal, it's a chance to reclaim independence from Beijing's grip. And for China, it's yet another reminder. Their overreach often leads to backlash. The big question now, will Nepal reset its foreign policy and rebuild trust with India? Or will Beijing find another puppet to control? Time will tell. So what do you think? Was Oli's downfall purely a people's movement? Or was there more international involvement behind the scenes? And most importantly, can Nepal finally free itself from China's shadow? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more geopolitical insights, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next update.